Good morning, student. In my previous video, I have taught history of commerce, human activity, type of human activities, concept of business, concept of profession, concept of employment, and difference of ever point business, profession, and employment. These all topics are under chapter 1 of business study, and this is for class 11th. Now I am going to teach new topic, that is nature of business. So let us see nature or characteristics of business. First characteristics of business is an economic activity. An economic activities. Business is considered as an economic activities because it is undertaken to earn money for livelihood and not for any sentimental reasons. It satisfied human needs by supplying goods and services for mutual profit. Business can be performed at a small or at a large scale, at individual or organized level. So this is called economic activity also. For example, selling of goods by a shopkeeper is an economic activity. Second point is production of goods and services. Business supplied goods to meet the human needs by either manufacturing or producing goods, purchasing the consumer or capital goods, providing service in the form of banking, transportation, electricity, etc. Departmental store, purchasing goods from a small manufacturer and selling under one roof. For example, buying toys from manufacturer and selling toys in the market. Manufacturing televisions with a purpose to sell. Running a traveling agency to plan holiday or business trips for customers are the main example of production of goods and services. Now third point is sale of goods and services. Business involves transfer of goods and services between seller and buyer for a value. Goods produced or purchased for personal consumption cannot be a business activities. For example, a owner of a gift shop when sell gift item to his customer, it is a business activity. But when he selects a gift from his shop to present to his daughter, it is not a business activity, since there is no exchange for monetary value, because businessmen do not take money from his daughter. Next point, dealing in goods on regular basis. Dealing in goods and services on regular basis. For an economic activity to be a businessman, it is must that it should be undertaken on a regular basis. One single transaction does not constitute business. For example, a car dealer buys and sells car on a regular basis. An old car sold for cash or exchange for purchase of a new car is not a business activity. Fifth characteristics is profit motive. This is main characteristics of business. Profit motive. Profit earning is one of the main objective of business activity. Business earn profit not only to cover its cost but also for survival and future growth. Profit is the yardstick to measure the success of a business. Therefore, businessmen make all possible effort to maximize profit by increasing the volume of sale or reducing costs. For example, a furniture dealer buys office chair at rupees 500 each and sell them for 600 each. Then 100 per chair is the extra money earned to meet business expenses and future growth. Next point is uncertainty of returns. Though business is started with an aim of to earn profit, but earning of profit is uncertain as it depends on demand of the product and other market conditions. There is a possibility of losses in the event of adverse business condition. For example, we are looking at this time in this lockdown period, only uncertainty in business available. For example, Metallica had to cancel their music concert in Gurgaon at the last moment due to technical sang in the sound system. They had to refund against the ticket sold, resulting in huge losses. Now, next point is element of risk. Risk. We can say business is always associated with risk due to uncertainty of profit. Business profit depend upon consumers' tastes and preferences. Change in fashion, competition, risk of fire, theft, lockout, strike, etc. also affect profit earned by business. These risks can be reduced through insurance but can never be eliminated. It means risk cannot be eliminated. It can be reduced. In one line, we can say risk is the possibility of loss. For example, a leather garment business sells long coats, but due to change in fashion, there was no demand for long coats. Business had to sell a stock at very low price, resulting into loss of income. Workers of Maruti Udyog Limited went on a strike for more than a month, demanding raise in wages. The company suffered huge losses due to loss of production and sale. So this is the element of risk. Now second topic is multiple objectives of business. There are many objectives, so I have written multiple objectives of business. First is economic objective. Economic objectives. Second is social objective. And third is human objective. Or individual objective. There are three objectives main. Now I am going to explain economic objective of business. Economic objective of business. An business is an economic activity, so most important objective of business are economic objective. Under economic objective, the following point include: first, survival. Second is profit. And third is growth. First objective of business is economic activity, and under this economic activity, first point is survival. The basic purpose of every organization is to survive and exist in the competition market for a long period of time, and it is possible only when it is able to cover its cost and earn profit. So, first objective should be survival of business. Next is profit. It is said that profit is the blood of business. So the most important objective of every organization is earning adequate amount of profit. Profit is essential for survival, growth, and expansion of business. Profit is the reward given to businessmen for bearing risk. Next point is growth. Growth of business and expansion of business is depend upon the success of any organization is measured by the growth rate, and growth in measured in term of sale, number of branches, number of products, and number of employee, etc. are comes under growth of business. Now, second objective is social objective. Social objective. Social objective are: first, supply of quality product. Supply of quality products. Customer prefer to buy the products only when they are of satisfactory quality and are available at a reasonable price. Today's customers is a quality customer and he expects value for money. Quality may mean differently for different product. For example, For consumer goods such as refrigerator, TV, car, scooter, the quality may mean durability and the product like pressure cooker, gas cylinder, etc. Quality may mean safety for product like pulses, spices, medicine, etc. Quality may mean purity. To survive in the market for a long run and to maintain the goodwill, the businessman must supply product with right quality at right price. Second is avoiding unfair means. Unfair trade. Unfair trade means antisocial practices include black marketing, adulteration, hoarding, overcharging, etc. The punishment can be in the form of fine or imprisonment or both. The businessman must have social objective to avoid this practice for earning profit. Next point is avoidance of pollution. It comes under social objective. Avoidance of pollution. Industrialization had led to a major problem of pollution. The industries throw or drain their wastes in lakes, rivers, etc., which pollutes water. The smoke coming out the chimney of industries pollutes the environment as the businessman has added to spreading of pollution. So it becomes the moral duty of the businessman to come forward and help in solving the problem of pollution. Next, objective, human or individual objective. Human and individual objective have good working conditions. Second, maybe competitive salary, payment of competitive and satisfactory wages and salary. Third point, personal growth. Personal growth and development of employee by imparting training to employees and keep updating their knowledge. And last, a special benefit. A special benefit means such as housing facility, medical facility, free education of children, etc. should be given by employer to employee. So these are the three objectives I have explained. Now we have to meet with next topic in next video. Thank you very much.